How to change a keyboard theme on Moto S15 Fusion and other Moto 15 series. Open the app drawer, tap any keyboard. Here you can see the black keyboard. To change the color or a background of a keyboard, go to settings, scroll down up to system, tap on a keyboard. Now tap on a on-screen keyboard. By default, Gboard is set as a default Motorola keyboard. Tap on it. Now here you can see the theme option. Tap on a theme. Now you can see different available theme. You can see how it looks. Also enable or disable keyboarder. Here you can see the theme. You can also see color theme, landscape. Here we select this. Now you can see the background. Also disable background keyboarder. Tap on apply. Now go back. And you can see change the keyboard theme. You can also set your own photo. To set it, go to themes, tap on a plus icon at the top, select the photo from the keyboard, adjust it, tap on next, tap on a done, just to go up it, tap on apply. Now go back. Now you can see change the background. So easy to change the Gboard theme or keyboard theme on a Motorola device. That's it. If you like it, share it.